Steady going?
Pick a clothes.
Where?
Pick clothes.
Where does he get the clothes?
Pick a clothes.
Where does he pick up the clothes?
Huh?
Where does he pick up the clothes?
Huh?
Where does he pick up the clothes?
What?
You need to sit down. It's not funny. Where's Steady?
Huh?
What did he pick up?
Pick up?
The laundry?
Yeah, laundry, yeah.
Where does he get the laundry from? The laundromat?
Yeah.
Say it.
Laundromat.
You need to sit on your bottom. Sit down. Sit down now. You're going to fall and hit your head. Sit down.
No, don't fall. Please. I can't go. I have to go.
He will go to the hospital if he falls down and hurts his neck. It's not funny. Mommy would be sad if he got hurt. You need to sit down. Thank you. High five. High five. Good job. Why don't you high five your brother? Give your brother a high five. Oh, he's giving you a high five. Why don't you want to high five him? Let me high five you. High five. High five. Oh.